Life for Poor in Pakistan by Alette Walker. Reports have shown that 38.8% of Pakistan population lives in poverty. In Sindh, 43.1% population is extremely poor because of the lack of education, health facilities, and poor living standards. One of the planning ministers, Iqbal, said that poverty came down to the growth in the informal economy. No matter how good numbers look, such development only caters to the need of the elite and the powerful, Iqbal said. I found this graph online and I thought it was pretty interesting. There's two different kinds of poverty. One is absolute poverty, which refers to the situation which individuals are unable to attend to necessities of life. And then there's relative poverty, where individuals are in a situation where they don't have enough income to sustain the life that they need, and so they have a lower living standard than the rest of the community. And we see both of these kinds of poverty in Pakistan. Many people are just barely getting by on only $2 a day. They are so desperate that they are doing anything to stay alive and find shelter. Many people with a little bit of money to spare could afford simple houses and small cottages. Others are just getting by on the bare minimum of any spare material to form a roof to cover their family. The spreading of Islam in 700 AD actually forms the basis of Pakistani cuisine. Muslims are forbidden to eat pork or drink alcohol, so they concentrated on eating beef, chicken, fish, and vegetables. Spices and curry are essential to Pakistani cuisine. The poor in Pakistan rely heavily on wheat and grains because they are cheap, provide calories, and they are easily accessible. Pakistani clothing styles are similar to what can be found in India. The shalwar-kameez combination is a knee-length shirt over loose-fitting pants and is the most common traditional form of clothing. In conservative Muslim communities, women sometimes wear the burqa, which is a falling garment that may or may not cover the face. The main way for people that live in rural communities to access markets and services is through roads that connect these rural communities to market towns. The problem is that many people live far away from these roads and have to walk over 30 minutes to reach these roads. From there, they have to find some way to get to the market. Very few people own cars, so they have to use public transport such as buses, trucks, pickups, rural taxis, motorcycles, bicycles, animal-drawn carts, or pack animals. Motorcycles are actually becoming more and more common and very effective ways for travel. Most of the time, motorcycle taxis are the only form of rural transport that is available. That was my presentation on Life for the Poor in Pakistan. Thank you for watching.